You will need the following ingredients: 1 head of cabbage, 1 yellow onion, 3 carrots, and 2 potatoes, flower potatoes. Boil potatoes for 12 to 15 minutes, then drain. Move back to pan to dry out for about 2 minutes. Alright, now that the potatoes are done boiling, remove them from heat, turn off pan, and remove the potatoes from the boiling water. Yeah. Alright. Now while the water is still hot, turn back on, and now you can place your cabbage in. Cover and begin heating again. As the cabbage boils, cut potatoes into quarters. Slice the potatoes thickly into thick quarters. Every so often, check on the cabbage. I think that looks good. Remove the cabbage from heat and drain. Now you must drain the cabbage from the pot. Be very careful because the water is hot. Alright, now move the cabbage into the salad spinner and begin spinning to rinse the excess water off. Do this about 10 to 15 times. Alright, now remove the strainer from the container and move to your cutting board. Delicious. Alright, now begin chopping. If you want, you can remove the potatoes, but I don't really care. You want to shred the lettuce just enough into thin strips. Oh, that's really great. In a decent sized bowl, mix lettuce or mix cabbage and potatoes and season to taste. Alright, now mix potatoes and cabbage with some sort of seasoning. I'm using Vegetable Magic, but you can use whatever you like. And if you get potatoes that are like this, just slide them apart. Obviously, this is not what they would use in colonial times, but it's still delicious. Bubble and squeak is a traditional English/Dutch recipe that consists from leftover vegetables or minimal vegetables used from a previous roast or dinner. This is going to be kind of a messy meal to make, but it's still very delicious. This recipe of bubble and squeak does not include any meat. However, you can add bacon or some sort of other meat flavoring. Smells so good. Alright, begin melting butter and mix it around on the pot until well greased. Alright, now with the seasoned flour, potatoes, and cabbage, mix into the bowl. Or mix from bowl into pan. Once it's the pan, you'll have to move quickly because it's very hot and it can burn. So I'd suggest reducing it to a lower heat and smashing it down like this. Put some flour on the top if you need. Mix occasionally to evenly coat the flour with potatoes and cabbage. This cooking process will take about 20 minutes. Alright, remove from heat and place in fridge for 3 to 4 hours and then bake for 15 minutes and you'll have yourself a lovely bubble and squeak.